So here is another delicious simple chicken recipe with regular ingredients. And this recipe is very easy and I hope you all will love it. So now let's start with the preparation. For this chicken recipe, I took 700 grams of chicken and here I am cutting it little deep so that the spices will go inside. Now add half of lemon juice, salt as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. No need to add other spices now. So marinate all these ingredients well and rest this marinated chicken for some time. Now in a grinder jar, take 15 to 20 cloves of garlic, 2 inch of ginger, green chili as per your requirement and 3 to 4 dry red chili which I have soaked for 30 minutes, but you can obviously skip this part. You can add the dry red chili without soaking as well. Now make a smooth paste of all these ingredients and keep it aside. Now take 3 to 4 cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves and 1 to 2 inch cinnamon sticks. You have to roughly crush the spices and keep it aside. Now heat up a pan, add 1/3 cup of oil. You can use more or less. I have used mustard oil here and you can use any other cooking oil you prefer. Now I took 4 medium size of potatoes cut into halves. Now fry it 80 to 90% on medium to high flame. It will take 6 to 7 minutes. If you don't want to add potatoes, you can obviously skip potatoes. Now potatoes are fried for 80 to 90%. Take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. Now in the same pan add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, the crushed spices made earlier and 2 bay leaves. Stir all this for few seconds and add 2 big size of chopped onion. Now fry until the onions are golden brown. You can see the onions are perfectly fried. And now add the ginger, garlic, green chili and dry red chili paste which we prepared earlier. Now cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, little bit of salt. Remember the salt is already added while marinating the chicken, so add salt very carefully. Now again cook for 2 to 3 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Adding sugar is optional but it brings a very good taste. Then again cook for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes add the chicken and the chicken is marinated so well. Now mix well the chicken with the masala and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low flame by covering it. And also don't forget to stir it in between. After 15 to 20 minutes add the tomato paste. I have used 1 medium size of tomato. Instead of tomato you can also use 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or tomato puree. Now again cook for another 15 to 20 minutes by covering it on medium to low flame. Don't forget to stir it in between. And after 15 to 20 minutes cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the fried potatoes that made earlier. Now again cook on high flame until the masala and the chicken cook properly. You can see the chicken has perfectly cooked as well the masalas. It might take another 5 to 6 minutes. Now add hot water as you want the consistency to be, and I have added 1.5 cup of hot water. Now if you don't want to add water, then cook for another 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Then the chicken will be ready. And if you add water, then cook on high flame until you get your desired consistency. So you can see I have kept this type of consistency. So now the simple chicken curry or the chicken jhol is all ready to serve. You can serve this chicken curry with rice, roti, chapati, dosa, puri, anything you want. And if you find this recipe helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also give your feedback in the comment section. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.